The supermarket is very big and crowded today. You must stay together with us.
Yes, please listen to your dad. Do not walk away. Stay close to me.
Mom, Dad, look at those toys. Can we go and play there right now?
No, Max, not right now. We need to buy some healthy food for dinner first.
Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad, I understand.
Good kids. Walk behind me and do not run. We are going to buy cereal.
Look at this cereal box, Arthur. It is very healthy and good for our breakfast.
Listen, Mia. Mom and Dad are very busy looking at the food. They cannot see us. Let's go explore that aisle. No, Max. Dad said we must stay. I will not go anywhere with you. Come on, Mia. Just for one short minute. It will be very fun, I promise. Let's go see the big toys over there. Run quickly before Mom turns around. Wait for me, Max! Please do not run so fast. I cannot run like you.
Martha, where are Max and Mia? I do not see them. They are gone!
Oh my God, they decided to walk away from us. Max, Mia, where did you two go?
Max! Mia! Mia! Where are you?
We must find you right now. We must find them right now.
Let's go. Look in the other aisles over there.
See, Mia? We are here in the toy aisle. Mom and Dad do not know. Look at all these big toy cars on the shelf. I really like the red one. I want to see this big car. I will try to touch it with my hand. Oops, the toy boxes are going to fall down on the floor. This is very bad.
Hey, what are you doing here? Do not play with the boxes. Go away now.
Run, Mia! Run fast! The store man is very angry at us. We must run! Wait for me! The man is very angry. I am running as fast as I can.
Excuse me, miss. Did you see a little boy and a little girl walk past here?
No, I did not see them. The man did not see them, Arthur. I cannot find our kids. Where are they? I am so scared for my babies. We need to find them as soon as possible.
Where are we, Max? This place is very dark. I do not see any toys here. I am very tired from running. My legs hurt. I want to see my mom now. I am very sorry, Mia. I do not know the way back. We are completely lost. Please use a phone to call Mom. Tell her to come and get us right now. I cannot call her. I do not remember Mom's phone number. I forgot it.
Hello, little boy and little girl. Why are you sitting here in the dark hallway? You look very sad and tired. Are you lost? Where are your mom and dad?
Yes, we are lost. We cannot find our parents, and we do not know the way.
Look at this. I have some sweet chocolate for you. Do you want it?
Thank you very much, sir. I am very hungry. Where is my dad waiting for us?
Your dad is waiting for you in my car outside. Let's go to see him now.
Okay, sir. We will go with you. Please take us to our dad's car right now.
Let's go. Walk faster, kids. We need to go out through this door over here.
We are coming with you. Please do not walk too fast, sir. We are very tired.
Just a little bit more. We are almost at the door. Your dad will be happy. Wait a minute. Look at that strange man with the kids. That does not look right. Hey, you! Stop right there! Let go of those children's hands right now! Oh no! It is a security guard! He saw me! I cannot take the kids now. I am in big trouble. I have to leave this place right now, before he catches me! Are you two kids okay? You are safe with me now.
Is he not my dad's friend? He said my dad was waiting. I am very scared.
No, he is a very bad man. He lied to you. You must never follow strangers.
I am sorry, sir. We do not know the number. We forgot to learn it.
Control room, this is Paul. I found 2 lost kids near the back exit door. We must find them! They are just little kids. They cannot be far away.
Mia, don't let go of my hand. Attention, please. Parents of a lost boy and girl, please come to the back exit immediately. Arthur, listen to the speaker. That is Max and Mia. They are at the back exit.
Thank goodness. Let's go to the back exit as fast as we can. Hurry up, Martha!
Mom! Dad! We are over here!
We are so happy to see you.
Oh, my babies! You are safe. I was so worried about you. I am so happy.
Max and Mia, why did you run away? I told you to stay, but you did not. Listen.
You walked away and followed a bad stranger? That is a very, very dangerous thing to do.
We are very sorry, Mom and Dad. We were very wrong. We will never do it again.
You must teach your kids to remember your phone number. It is a very important rule. Now let's go home to prepare dinner. Next time, don't do this again, kids.
Rule number 1. You must always memorize your mom or dad's phone number. It is important. Rule number 2. Never run away from your parents. Always stay close to them in the store. Rule number 3. Say no to strangers. Never take chocolate or go anywhere with them. Rule number 4. If you are lost, find a uniformed guard to ask for help.